So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. We're going to talk about how to send friend requests on Monopoly Go. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically here in Monopoly Go, to send a friend request, it will be actually shown here in your add friends or timeline, where sometimes periodically Monopoly Go will add suggestions to add friends, so you can send friend requests to them basically. So if they accept, you'll become friends. But at times that doesn't come, it's not yet a feature here, so we're still gonna wait on that on Monopoly Go. So basically, to send a friend request, basically all I do is go to invite, copy the link, and basically send it to the friend I want to add. So once he opens the link, we will automatically become friends, and there you go. So basically again, all you have to do is go to your invite, and then here, press your invite, copy the link, and basically it will send a friend request to the person you want to. Just send them the link and let them open it, and there you go. Basically that's how you do it, and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.